to swim.
Yes, we are preparing to go out.
And here's my swimming clothes. I'm wearing right. Huh? Awesome, Mia.
Maliligo kami. Gusto
What?
kami ng mga bata. Sobrang init. Pero
we are gonna swim. And we already wear our swimming clothes.
careful, you see. Oh.
My one is flower, then my one is the blue and pink.
Uy!
I want to have a change. Yeah.
So we're on the way. Ano oras na? 3 p.m. It's already 3 p.m. right?
Yes.
Gutom na. Gutom na. Kasi yung kinain namin kanina, breakfast
Gutom
lang.
na, 3 p.m.
Breakfast, tapos lunch na. So, yeah, it's red color la. So, what?
Get one. We are gonna go at the mall.
No, yung eating bread la. Eating bread. Kain sila ng tinapay. And then, ang problema, umuulan. Oh, umuulan siya, guys.
It's not raining. It's just a ngiti.
It's rain shower.
Papa, no guarantee you see the fan.
So, kapag umuulan kasi dito, yung ulo mo lalab. Kapag umuulan dito, bawal maligo sa mga swimming. No more step. Bawal maligo sa swimming pool pag umuulan. So, kailangan hindi ba pwede? Papaalisin nila.
Aidan's
So,
school. I saw
I'm not so
Aidan.
sure.
Aidan's school.
I'm not so sure kung
Aidan's school.
makakaligo sila. So, we'll see. Are you excited, Siwhey?
Yeah.
First time na yung Siwhey. Are you excited? Are you about your ate?
I want again.
I'm okay.
So, yung mga kids nakasuot na, ready na, nakasuot na ng swimming clothes. So, kami na lang adult ang hindi. Doon na lang kami magpapalit.
And baby.
Ayan, baby, very fast lang. I can just change her clothes there. Okay. Oh, see you. You sit down. The car is moving. Okay. So, see you there. Dito na kami. Pero yung weather is not good. Para maulog. Inside, I have parking lot here. Oh, here. Can read that, ate?
There.
Huh? May nakasulat.
Yes.
Hindi nila kami, pero narinig namin yung meron silang parang ano ba yun? Warning sign. So, bawal maligo. Ibig sabihin merong lightning. So, bawal daw maligo. Narinig namin. Nandito na kami. Yeah, we can eat first before we go.
Yeah, at 4 p.m. to 6 p.m.
Can check the weather forecast.
Is sunny.
Wait until what time? Jurong lah.
Huh? Why don't we search the indoor swimming pool? Then we can go there.
Can man.
Okay, why cannot? You try to try
But
to
that one is for
what?
practice people. People practice.
No, indoor.
Yes.
No. Oh. See why you sitting there? It's not work. That's not a chair. So guys, kain muna kami. We're waiting to the rain to stop. So kakain na lang kami. Wait lang.
Very beautiful.
Say hi to my little guys. Andito lang kami sa labas. Naghihintay Kasi hindi pa nila hindi pa allowed na pumasok sa loob kasi wala nang ulan, pero sabi nila may thunder pa daw. Parang meron silang, hindi ko alam kung ano ang tawag dyan. So, kailangan naman maghintay. 6 PM na, guys. 6 PM pwedeng pumasok. And now, what time, ate?
5:50.
5:50. So, 10 minutes more.
10 minutes.
10 minutes more. So, 10 minutes more. Let's see kung pwede na kayo makapasok sa loob. And, hindi ko na, ano kasi, si baby hindi na, late na. So, hindi ko na siya papaliguin. Siguro itong dalawa na lang na kids kasi sila yun talagang excited mag-swimming. So, naghihintay na lang kami kung pwede pa. Kung pagdating ng 6, hindi pa pwede, uwi na kami. Sa labas, tingnan natin kung pwede na kami pumasok after 6 PM. So, ito guys, makikita mo siya sa monitor. Ayan. Yung monitor doon. Ayun. O, diba? Ibig sabihin, pag may thunder, hindi pa pwedeng pumasok. So, wait pa kami dito sa labas. So, Kenoo. We go, what time now?
You don't go to change your clothes. Okay, we go to the mall.
Let's go to the beach.
Now there cannot swim. No, the sun now is good.
Let's go.
No, let's go. Let's go to the beach.
You cannot swim there.
You need play sun.
I love playing sand.
But we don't bring your toys.
So how?
Bring my toys. We go.
No, you change your clothes. You have clothes in the bag. Then you change your clothes. Then we go to the mall.
No, I want to go on the beach.
Right.
We go.
Sad to say, we have to go back. We have to go home. Hindi nakaligo yung dalawa, so we're going back. Where are we going? Where do you want to go?
We want to go to the beach.
No lah.
I want to go to home.
You want to go to the beach? Then go to the beach. Beach also okay.
Different, may going to where?
West Coast.
Where's that place?
Yeah, you will see. You never been there.
Okay.
In the East Coast and the West Coast.
There's an East Coast, there's an West Coast. Okay, we go. Yes.
Yes.
So, sad to say, ay, kita si baby ko. So, sad to say, guys, hindi na mag-swim ang mga kids. Ayan, so, punta na lang daw kami sa, where are we going, honey?
We
West
go to the West Coast
West
Park.
Coast Park. So,
But the park cannot play lah. Just see only lah.
Huh?
Or you want to play sand? You want to play sand? Then we go to East Coast.
Sand is wet.
I want to go sand. I want
No,
to go
not-
sand.
how, why don't we?
Time to.
Oh, what's that? I think it's a game.
Yeah, it's a soccer game.
Yeah, it's a
But they
game.
cannot start because of the lightning.
This. Oy! Oh, that's very nice, ate.
I already told you to throw.
So guys, we just decided to go home kasi late na rin and it's already 6 PM. So uwi na lang kami. Balik na lang kami maybe tomorrow. Di talaga pa pwede. Okay. Ano masyado yung mga kids. So wala tayong magagawa. Hindi tayo pinapasok eh. Hindi pa pwede.
But
Okay?
Mama.
No but. No but. Okay?
No but.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.